Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install Twitch on your Windows 11 PC. To begin, there is no direct download link, so what we're going to do, we're going to install an application called BlueStacks. Just go to your browser and type it, click on download BlueStacks, and here we're going to download BlueStacks based on our Windows 11. I have Windows 64, so we're going to select this option. Once the download is completed, click on the download folder, click to open the download, double click on BlueStacks installer, and we're going to begin the installation of the application. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. I'm going to choose where I'm going to install it. So just trying to locate the file where I'm gonna, so data installation, okay, and click install now. Skip, I agree, and you need to wait up to 4 minutes until the installation is completed. The next step through this application will be downloading and installing Twitch, and it should work totally fine for us. As you can see, the download and installation is completed. So it shows that it's refreshing. You might need to wait up to an extra 1 or 2 minutes. And as you can see, it opens automatically. It checks the system requirements. As you can see, the installation has been completed. Just click open and you should be logged into Twitch. You can press F11 to have Twitch on the full screen. And here you have the options to either log in or sign up as you want. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.